Glowing Star Presentation Title: A Blessed Journey, Noor's Pilgrimage to Al-Madinah. Glowing Star. Slide 1. Opening, a day of divine intention. Today marks the beginning of Noor's sacred adventure. A journey not just of distance, but of heart and soul, toward Al-Madinah. Slide 2. The heart of Al-Madinah, Al-Masjid An-Nabawi. The Haram of the Prophet awaits, a place of peace, mercy, and prayer. Why this place is unlike any other: the resting place of the Prophet Muhammad. Slide 3. The Spirit of Asr, a time for deep reflection. Noor arrives in time for the Asr prayer, a moment of spiritual clarity and calm. The shadows lengthen, the call to prayer echoes. Noor stands with pilgrims in unity. Slide 4. The beauty of brotherhood and dua. Around Noor, pilgrims from every land, yet all hearts beating with one rhythm. Hands raised, eyes closed, prayers for peace, forgiveness, and guidance. Slide 5. Moments that stay forever. Noor's heart is filled with awe, gratitude, and tears. Every step in the Haram is a step closer to Allah. Slide 6. A message for us all. This journey is not Noor's alone. It reminds us of what truly matters. Make time for prayer, for intention, for connection to the sacred. Slide 7. Closing, the light Noor carries. As Noor leaves the Haram after Asr, a new light glows within. The journey continues, but the soul has found its center. If you'd like, I can help turn these prompts into full presentation slides with text or visual designs as well. Let me know.